So one of the main things you want to make sure you get right as an Etsy seller is using the right keywords for your product. This is what we call SEO, search engine optimization. And this is the way that people are going to find you organically and help you build up your passive income online. However, if you get this step wrong, you could be doing a ton of work without there being any results. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my main tools I use to help me find keywords that will help me rank higher in Etsy search. And this tool will actually help me identify if a keyword is worth using before I spend time creating a product and listing it on Etsy. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jade. On this channel, I teach you how to make passive income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. And everything I talk about today will be linked down in my description box below. Again, Sales Samurai was so kind to give my audience a discount to use it. So if you want to check it out on your own, then check out my link down below. So this is Sales Samurai. Again, this tool is extremely helpful if you're selling on Etsy because, again, you want to be led by data and not more so by the guessing game. This tool actually helps you identify the best keywords for your Etsy products, as well as help you with your tags, your prices, as well as look at other people's listing to see what the competitors are doing as well. So I want to go a little bit deeper in my dashboard, show you exactly how I use this and how you can actually rank higher on Etsy search. So when you come to Sales Samurai, they have a ton of tutorial videos share with you how to get the most out of this research tool, how to look at competitor shops, how to search for different keywords you can use on your products, how to use their Chrome extension and their calendar that shows you upcoming dates. Where we're going to spend our time today is actually in the search function. Our goal today is to find keywords that we can actually rank for and actually find things that are high in search volume and low in competition, as well as other relatable keywords I can use on my Etsy listing. And so right when you get to the search area, you have the basic search as well as the single listing search. You can actually plug in a listing and actually learn how many keywords they have in here and which ones are doing well. But in our case today, we just want to stick to the basic search and search up a particular phrase that we want to sell in. So one of the things I'm selling in my new print on demand shop are teacher t-shirts. These things are selling all the time. So I want to be focused on what type of keywords I need to focus on when I'm selling in this particular niche. So the first result I see is if this particular keyword or phrase I typed in is a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords mean I'm using multiple words to generate a phrase people are typing in. Usually we see this between 2 to 4 words. So in our case today, we do have a long tail keyword, but I think throughout our time today, we're going to find that we can do better than just having teacher shirt. This is our next result that shows me the search volume. That means this has 26,000 searches every single month on Etsy. Again, this is the main thing I want to focus on, how many people are searching up a term every single month, because that's going to give me the more opportunities to actually rank higher on Etsy search. The click-through rate shows me how many times people actually click on a product based upon this keyword, and then it shows me the level of competition. Now, I have done a separate video talking about how you can outbeat the competition, but in our goal today, we actually want to rank higher in the search results. So we want to focus on high volume keywords that are actually low in competition. However, with Sales Samurai, the goal here is to start off really broad with our search term, but then go a little bit deeper to find relatable tags, relatable phrases I can use to actually find the micro niches that I can serve on Etsy. And so one of the things I look for is the other keywords that's tied to my main phrase. This is where I'm able to see the search volume as well as the competition that's tied to my original phrase I typed in. So I have my keywords here. I have my search volume results. I have my click-through rate. I have my Google cost per click, as well as my Google competition. And as you can see, we have a ton of things that are low in competition that is related to my keyword. However, one of the main things I try to look for to rank higher is the search volume. The reason why I want this search volume to be high is because I want to make sure that people are actually looking for this product. And the more people I have looking for this product, the more times I'm going to have people click on my product or potentially click on my product because that product is in demand. So I can actually filter the search volume based upon the highest and the lowest results. So if I have found keywords that I want to go back and look at a little bit later, I can actually hit the heart button and it will actually save this to a particular folder on my page if I want to. And I can create a new category of saving all these keywords. In my case today, I put teacher shirt. And every keyword that I want to target to focus on, I can actually have it go to that folder I have created. I can go a little bit further here and I see I have a history teacher shirt. Now I'm going to bring this up because even though the competition is set to be high on Google, If I search up history teacher shirt on Etsy, the competition is only 5,000 and the search results is somewhere between 450 to 500 search results per month. So that's just one quick thing to take note of. Even though it may be high on Google, it may not necessarily be high when it comes down to the search results on Etsy. So I know that history teacher shirt is a long tail keyword. Again, this is extremely well to use on Etsy search. I know this has 460 search results. The average click-through rate is 11%. However, the competition is extremely low for us to target and focus on because it has about 4,000 search results. Again, we found on Etsy has about 5,000. Numbers are different because they're adding new things every single day. Even though the Google competition is high, we know based upon the data that we see here in regards to Etsy, this is something that we actually need to focus on. Now, what's pretty cool about this is that when you go down, it will give you other things related to our first phrase we typed in. Our focus now is history teacher shirt, and I see other things that's tied to this particular phrase. I can search this based upon, again, search volume. I can go up and find the best keywords here, as well as things that are low in competition. If I want to add more things to my list, I can do that by clicking the heart button. I can see additional tags related to this search phrase as well. I see history teacher searched up 413 times in the last 30 days, as well as history teacher gift searched up 451 times in the last 30 days. Again, this information is what's going to help me identify what tags I need to have on my Etsy listing, because again, tags are how people are able to find you as well, just not your title, but also your tags. And so I want to make sure that I have tags that's primarily focused on the keyword that is high in search volume, that key phrase or that keyword that's related and relevant to my product. So again, the goal here is to focus on search volume so I can get as many people to my product as possible. I can focus on teacher shirts, teacher t-shirt, and teacher shirt. That might sound redundant to us on this side. However, in regards to the Etsy algorithm, it sees it as different search phrases that people are typing in. So being that I have this data here, that these search phrases receive over 26,000 search results per month, these are these type of things I know I want to add to my Etsy listing. Not only is it high in search volume, but it is extremely related and relevant to my product that I am creating, a history teacher shirt. If I click next, I can see other things that's tied to my product as well that I may want to add in. Again, I have back to school shirt, has over 1,000 search results, as well as history teachers that has over 1,000 search results. I can go down a step further and actually learn about each listing on an average in regards to this particular search phrase. So I see that the average views per listing is about 300, the average likes is about 72, and the average photos is about 6. Etsy actually give us 10. The more meaningful photos we have to communicate the value of our product to our customer, the more inclined they are to purchase from us. So being that the average photos are just 6, we can actually outbeat the competition in regards to how we use our photos, and we can beat them in regards to that. Now, what's so cool about Sales Samurai is that I see listings tied to my search phrase, history teacher shirt. Now, this is extremely helpful because this is showing me all the items as well as their data in regards to the search results. I see the image of each listing, the title, the price, the shipping day, the photos. I see the amount of views they're getting as well as the number of likes. Again, I want to focus on views and likes because that's letting me know how many shoppers are interacting with this product. Finding the right keywords are important, but for me to actually rank higher in search, I have to combine that with a product that is in demand so that people can see it, click it, and purchase it. And all of these are actually shirts. If I want to search up a particular type of history shirt, I can add a particular search phrase here. However, in my case today, these are my competitors that I want to focus on. I want to look at these bestsellers and learn from them how they're creating their title, what they're using for their tags, how are they using their design elements, and how can I bring something new into a marketplace like this. So if I click on the eye, this will give me more details regarding this product. For this best-selling item, I see the whole title here, as well as how many words they're using in their titles and their tags. Again, how many images they have up, but I also see how many views they have on this product and how many views per month they're getting on this product. This actually shows me the day it was created and the day it was last modified, as well as the average price point. Now, what's extremely helpful in regards to identifying best-selling items that are in this particular search phrase is learning from their tags. Again, they're getting tons of views and they're getting tons of likes, so I want to know why. Yes, it is for their design, so I can look at that a little bit later, but primarily I want to look at their SEO. What are they using for their tags and why are they using them? Again, I see history has a search volume of over 2,000. I see history teacher gift has about 400 searches per month, but I also have some really helpful things in the back part of this particular resource. I have the beginning of the title and is in the description. This is huge because again, Etsy tells us that the first couple words on your title is extremely important because that is the most weight the algorithm will actually hang upon based upon if your item will be found in that particular search result. Again, the ones that are high in search volume and low in competition, you want to lead with, and those generic terms like history teacher and history teacher gift, you want to add those things a little bit later in your title. Now, Etsy has already told us that they are now utilizing the description to determine if our product will be ranked on Etsy search. So again, Sales Samurai is already ahead of the game. We're letting us know if this particular keyword is found in the description. And being that it is not found in the description, this will actually help us begin to outrank the competition because again, we can be found in the search results based upon if we're adding these keywords in our description. So ranking on Etsy is a combination of many different things. You want to make sure you focus on keywords that are high in search volume and low in competition. You actually want to make sure that these keywords are found in your tags as well as in your title. You want to make sure your keyword is in the beginning of your title because that has the most weight in regards to the Etsy search algorithm. If you combine these things with the proper design style, mockups, layout, element, and the overall price of your product, the more people who view your product, the more people who click on it, favorite it, and add it to their cart and check out with you. All those things tie into you crawling up the Etsy algorithm ladder and actually rank higher in search. So as you can see, it is easy to find keywords if you have the right resources to help you identify things that are being searched up often. Again, this is the major part of selling on Etsy because if no one can find you, then no one can buy from you. So you want to make sure you're not guessing in this area, but you're actually using data that would give you the results. Now, again, I'll leave Sales Samurai in my link if you want to check it out. However, in today's video, I didn't have time to talk about how to use all these keywords on your Etsy listing to put them in your title and your tags the proper way to make sure you're optimizing your listing to be found in search. However, if you want to check out that video, click here because I share with you every single thing you need to do to make sure you are creating the best title and tags for your Etsy listing. Again, you want to check that out? Check it out right here. And if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. But as always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.